What's wrong?
Dude, I'm done for the day, man. I'm not hitting anything. I gotta take a huge dump, and I'm done.
Well, there's a public restroom right over there.
I'm not going to a public restroom.
Why not?
I'll be in there doing my business, and I'll have it locked, and they'll start shaking the door and trying to get in. They're in there trying to like get at me, invading my space.
Dude, have you never heard of the cough lock?
The what?
Okay, my friend told me about it. All you do is when someone tries to come in your stall, you just cough. You're like telling them that you're in there, but all you have to do is cough.
I'll have to try that.
The cough lock, it works every time.
Whoa, whoa. You should have locked it. Stay back. Stay back.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, cough lock trick, it didn't work.
What do you mean it didn't work?
I don't want to talk about it, man.
You want a breakfast and sandwich meal?
No. I'm just gonna go home. I have to poop.
They had a consultation with me.